Imagine standing knee-deep in a crystal-clear river, the early morning sun glinting off the water's surface as you cast your fly with precision. You're surrounded by the tranquil sounds of nature, the thrill of anticipation filling the air. Now picture capturing every moment, every cast, every strike, every triumphant catch, without ever taking your hands off your rod. That's exactly what our video camera sunglasses allow you to do, redefining the way you experience and record your fly fishing adventures. Our video camera sunglasses are designed with anglers in mind, seamlessly blending high-quality video recording and photography with the comfort and protection of polarized eyewear. Imagine being able to record full HD videos from your own point of view, hands-free, as you stalk trout along the banks or battle a feisty bass through the current. No more fumbling with bulky cameras or missing the action because your hands are occupied. With a discreet camera built right into the frame, you'll never miss another strike or spectacular jump. The sunglasses offer polarized lenses, reducing glare on the water and improving visibility so you can spot fish more easily and track their movements with precision. While you're focused on the perfect cast or the delicate presentation of your fly, the camera is quietly capturing every detail, from the flick of your wrist to the shimmering flash of your catch as it breaks the surface. You'll be able to relive the excitement and share your fly fishing triumphs with friends and family, or post your best catches online for the world to see. Recording your fly fishing journey has never been simpler. With the intuitive controls, a single touch lets you start or stop recording, so you can focus on fishing rather than fiddling with technology. Whether you want to document an epic battle with a trophy trout or capture the peaceful moments of solitude on the water, you're always ready to record. The built-in camera offers crisp, clear video, capturing vivid colors and sharp details, even in challenging light conditions at dawn or dusk. And if you want to snap a quick photo of your latest catch, a simple tap gives you a high-resolution image, perfect for sharing or adding to your fishing log. These sunglasses are lightweight and durable, designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures. They're water-resistant, so you don't have to worry about splashes or sudden rain showers. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable fit for long days on the river, and a rechargeable battery provides hours of continuous recording, so you won't miss a moment of your next fishing trip. Imagine the possibilities. You can create your own fishing diary, record instructional videos to help others learn the art of fly fishing, or simply capture the thrill of landing your biggest fish yet. Every cast, every catch, every memory is preserved from your perspective, making your fishing stories more vivid and authentic than ever before. So, if you're passionate about fly fishing and want to capture every moment effortlessly, these video camera sunglasses are the perfect companion for your next adventure. Don't miss the chance to upgrade your fishing experience and document your most memorable catches in stunning detail. If you've ever landed a truly impressive fish, we want to hear about it. Leave a comment below and tell us the story of the biggest fish you've ever caught, what fly you used, where you were, and how it all happened. And if you enjoyed this guide or want more tips and gear reviews for your fishing adventures, be sure to subscribe for future updates. Your next big catch could be just around the corner. And with our video camera sunglasses, you'll have every moment recorded to share and remember.